Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Windows 10 look like Windows 11 using a custom theme and icon pack. You'll get this sleek Windows 10 look without upgrading your system. Let's get started. So let me clear, it's not an actual release from Microsoft. Before we begin, it's always a good idea to create a restore point. In that way, if anything goes wrong, you can easily revert your PC to its original state. Just type create and then type create a restore point, then click on it and then select your C drive, then click on create and give it a name and then click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can revert your system. Now we need to install this software called SecureX theme tool. Just right click on it and then unzip this file, then cut this file into C drive. So I already did it, and then go to SecureX theme folder and then SecureX theme folder again, and here you can see this theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK, and then you need to just mark these two boxes and then click on install. So it will require reboot. So I already installed it, I'm not going to install it again. So I'll show you that how to install this theme. So then go to this theme folder, here you can see these themes. Just copy these theme folders and go to your C drive and then go to Windows folder and go to resources folder and then go to this theme directory and paste it here and then click on continue and then close this and then go to C drive again and then open this SecureX theme tool again and right click on theme tool and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK. And now here you can see these two themes are available. Here one is dark and another one is light. Just select whatever you want, just select that theme and then click on apply. So it will apply the theme. So let me show you the dark theme and then click on apply and then click on close. Okay, so theme has been applied. Now we need to apply the icon pack. To apply the icon pack, we need to rename this icon pack. Just click on rename and remove this remove text and then unzip this 70sp file and open 70sp folder, and we need to rename it again ee2exe and then click on yes, then double click to it and then click on yes and then click add custom pack and go to Windows 11 70sp icon pack, and here you can see this icon pack. Just select that icon pack. Okay, so now click on start patching and then click on yes to continue. So it will take some time to complete the process. Until that, I'll be right back after complete this process. So process has been complete. Just click on yes to reboot your computer. Okay, so icon pack has been applied. Here you can see the new icons. So let me clear first, it's not an actual release from Microsoft, it's a custom theme. And one more thing, I can change the start menu and the taskbar as well. If you want to also change the taskbar and the start menu, here is some rain meter skins available called Windows 11 start menu for rain meter. You can use them or else you can leave it. Then we need to install this software called Old New Explorer. Just right click on it and then click on extract files and then click on OK and cut this folder into C drive, and all links are given in the description box or comment section. Just check them out, then right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes, and then you need to mark these boxes and then click on install and then click on close. I know it's not looks identical, but it at least won't kill your PC. And that's it, you have now transformed your Windows 10 into a clean modern Windows 11 look like without upgrading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more customization tips, and let me know the comments how it works for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.